Frankie, high five. Yeah, good girl. Alright, we still got all our wheels and our bumper just in case. Straps are tight. We're ready for drift day, boys. Before we get anywhere, I just want to say, like, some of you guys may have done this before. I never have done this before. You guys know I'm not a morning person. I don't like waking up and driving 3 hours to go to the track. I just like grabbing a hotel near the track so I can wake up at my leisure and go to the track in like 10 minutes. But something that I didn't even realize you could do until we got Frankie was bring your dog to a hotel. Frankie, say what up. Say what up to the peeps. It's super cool. You're like in a hotel room in a snuggly little bed and your dog is there. I don't know, it's cool. Anyways, like I said, we get a hotel because we don't like driving in the morning, and somehow we're 15 minutes from the track and we're still late. Thank you. The Hot Wheels love is real. I gotta get this wall going so bad. I feel so bad for you guys. A couple of you guys literally drove here in this Lancer. Can't even drift in that, just to hand deliver some Hot Wheels, which is absolutely fire. So thank you, boys, and everybody that has sent Hot Wheels so far. I will do the wall very soon now that we have Chris, but I feel like I just keep getting Hot Wheels and I feel bad because I don't want to make it and then keep getting more and more and more, but I'm gonna have to cut it off and we're gonna have to build this wall. But I'm pumped to be back out here. The only thing we're missing this morning is Chris. He actually blew a wheel bearing in his Taco yesterday, so I left and he was supposed to come up this morning, and like last night he was loading up the trailer, getting everything ready, and he swapped the front brakes because he wanted a fresh set of brakes on there just because he needed them, and he realized the front wheel bearing was blown on the Taco. So this morning he's like full mayhem mode trying to get the Taco fixed so they can drag the G up here so they can do some skids with us. He already paid for the weekend, so I know he's coming. I just don't know when he's gonna get here. Nice. Good. You got this from Beamer Boys?
Yeah.
Nice.
Beamer Boys.
So these are the S Boys. These guys are, you guys are local, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, these guys are local. They literally just came and brought me Hot Wheels and they brought me some tools from someone I have no idea who, but Chris has all the tools and Chris is nowhere to be found, so.
We're the new Chris. But yeah, shout out to Robbie. Check out the committed crew, link down below. Yeah. But shout out to Robbie. He taught us like basically everything we've done. Like we did painting because of Robbie. He made it seem so easy. Like he said anyone can do it, so we tried it ourselves.
And could you do it?
Yeah.
Do you?
I take 24 because of you. For
nice. What are you putting into Civic?
Yeah.
Damn. I'm a practice giving this boy some Yankees, but I think being out on the track is where I'm really gonna like refine my skills, because in the majority drifting takes place on a track. Skid pad is like good, helps me get a feel for everything, helps me like get comfortable, but if I just spend my whole time here every time, I'm not gonna improve in being able to actually drift a track or link things on a track or get any better. So they shortened the track down this year. It's a lot more bendy, it's a lot less big. Hopefully the car will have feel a little bit more adequately powered for that. I'm excited to give this boy a Yankees, and I'm excited to see what happens on the big boy track. You boys bring helmets?
Yeah.
So when do you guys want to come for a ride along?
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm game.
Okay, I'll go grab it.
So these boys are saying that they don't live far away, but they come out here and they're not allowed spectators right now. So these guys paid drifting price to get their asses out here to just come and like see what's going on. So we can't get everybody too excited because there's a lot of subscribers here and we're not gonna give them all seats, like seat time. Yeah. But these guys said they have a car that they're trying to like debate if they want to make it into a drift car or not. So I figured I'm just going out there to like rip on my Hydro, give it a couple test pulls, but these guys, they wanted some seat time, so we'll give them a little bit of a feel.
Oh yeah.
So that you guys can turn that thing into
a drift missile.
A nice drift missile, and hopefully next time we come out, they can rip with us.
Oh yeah.
Okay buddy, I couldn't tell you what's gonna happen, but we are trying this Hydro right now.
Awesome.
Damn, she works good! Yeah, baby! Oh, we linked them, that's what I'm talking about. It's so hard to link them, they're so far away. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, so I gotta hold it longer. I'm like yanking it too quick, I think. Damn, that thing was nice. It fucking works. Real tire cook for you? Yeah. Too much. Too much hydro. It actually worked so much better than I thought it was going to.
You freaking slid, man.
It was like, the first couple times I yanked it, but I don't think I yanked it like hard enough.
Yeah.
Like I was pulling it and then letting it go, and it was like initiating, but not like sending us hard enough. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that was freaking
Because the one time I yanked it hard and it was like nice.
Oh, it was sweet.
Nice. I'm going to the big boy track.
You want a big boy track?
I decided it is worth my time to even just go out there, go slow, get a feel for it. And then when Chris gets here, we can do some skiddies. Yeah, so if you could just give me a decent space just so I can get a feel for it.
Gotcha.
Okay, thank you. All right, boys, we're still trying to figure it out. It's a little tight. It's a little tight. Okay, medium. We're doing medium. We are doing medium. Yeah, baby! We went off track a little bit, but I don't give a f***. God damn! Oh, damn, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo! Like, the first couple were like medium. I hit a lot of dirt. That last one, right when I hooked the first corner, I was like, yeah, got this. It's not bad.
Frankie, she doesn't like the grates of the stairs. We have to carry her.
We got Josh, right?
Yeah, Josh.
We got Josh for his ride along. I felt bad because I wanted to get him on the skid pad with your buddy.
This is even better.
This is like a whole different thing.
Yeah.
It's like fun, but also terrifying.
Literally.
The skid pad's just fun.
And we had to fill in Chris's spot, so sorry, Chris. We got the fun day today. Didn't link that one, buddy. Yeah, no. Hey, first, man, this is practice. Okay, everybody get your shit together. We're back on the road. We got this, Robbie.
Yeah, I'm just trying to like, I want to try and get that other section down.
Yeah.
Because this is just like, it's too high speeds, I think, for me. If you spin out like we just did, your whole car's
hit
fucked.
the wall.
Yeah. Oh, baby!
Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Robbie.
I did it, buddy!
Woo! You did?
Alright, we're gonna hop off here. I feel like I hear some weird noises. Like when we're transitioning, I hear like a little ticking noise. My brother, if it isn't Mr. Christopher showing up at 3 o'clock to the drift day. God damn, the taco pulled that thing all the way here, boys. Oh, he's gonna hit the cone. Nice, nice. Hey, thanks for showing up. We appreciate your time. Guys, first day with a trailer. Knocking everything down. What happened to your trailer, dog?
What do you mean?
Your thing.
Good. Well, let me tell you. Ashley put the tailgate down and didn't put it back up, and I didn't know it was down.
So this guy's having a little bit of a day. First off, you're here though.
I'm here. I made it. I made it. At the end of the first day, I made it.
It's okay.
But what are you gonna do? Yesterday, I went to like check the brakes because the taco brakes are a little funky, and I shook the tire, and the right driver's side bearing was gone. So I was like, okay, I can't drive down like this. So I took the liberty of yanking everything apart on Friday night, and then this morning I went and grabbed the wheel bearing, did it all today, and then I rocked it down here. So that's my luck already. And then Ashley over here puts the tailgate down because she had to get something out the back and doesn't put it back up, and I didn't know it was down. So now I got a huge dent in the back of my tailgate.
I'm laughing, but it sucks. It sucks. I just did like, I did my second lap out there.
Yeah.
And we pulled off because I heard a noise and I'm like, yo, something's wrong.
Yeah.
I guess my knee hit the gas door button. This was smacking around and I like panicked. I'm like, yo, we gotta get off the track.
Nice.
And I get off and I find this just open. So that's good.
So how many runs have you done on the big boy track?
2. It's way more narrow than it used to be. Way more
But
narrow.
you got
than
it
used to be.
sideways.
Yeah, you want to go?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, let's go. We only have limited time to make
Okay,
up
so
for you not being
what
here
am I
all
getting
day.
for a helmet? Also, I forgot a helmet, of course. Unreal.
Life gets better, buddy. Don't worry. Life gets better.
Buddy, you ready?
Buddy, I'm so pumped.
Okay. No, I'm pumped, buddy. I just drove 3 hours after doing a wheel bearing. Didn't even think I was gonna make it in time, buddy. I thought I was coming here and having dinner with you guys.
Super narrow and way faster than last time. It's very interesting. It's just hard because everybody's been off the track. Like, if you go up and watch, everybody's all over the place. So there's a lot of on the track.
Right.
And it's like hard to tell if you're going to stay on or go off it sometimes, you know?
Okay. Oh, damn, you tight.
We almost lost it, but we're good. I told you, right? It's tight as in here. It's so tight. And then we don't do drifties over here.
I'm gonna have to apologize to Tim because there's no way that bumper's staying on.
No. This is way too fast for me. Oh, we made it! God damn, the Hydro, baby! I love this thing, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, how much funner is this track this year though?
Buddy, this is so sick.
And I can actually send it.
Man, you're sending it hard, buddy. You've been here for like, what? Maybe like 3 hours. Wow. But how many times have you been out on the big boy?
3.
So that's your third?
Yeah.
Buddy, I'd say you're getting a good feel for it.
Not bad, dude. I'm having so much fun.
Super fun.
I just love how much tighter it is. I'm actually able to send it harder. And like for me to learn,
And this is a big girl.
Yeah, for me to learn, it's either like I gotta touch dirt or I can't go. Like if I fully send it, I'm gonna touch dirt.
Yeah.
And that's just gonna be the way it is until I learn.
No, dude, you did good, man. I think that was a good run.
Oh, I'm not justifying it. I'm just telling you my thoughts. I'm stoked. Yeah, okay, we gotta do a tire swap before we go back out.
Yeah, that's fine.
Fun though.
Buddy, it's so
fun. Yeah, we went off the track just a little bit.
Nice little pile there.
We're good.
All right, buddy, you ready to go round 2 with me?
Dude, I'm so pumped. That Hydro to save us again, baby. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Damn.
It just gets you tight.
Yeah. Almost went for a swim.
Save, buddy, good save. What if you hydroed right here?
I could probably do it. I'm not there yet, you know?
Okay, yeah, no problem. Good. Give us the footy. That was a good one.
That was a little too much dirt, I think.
Damn.
That's why I'm scared of this corner, bro.
What?
Every time I tell you I'm not ready for this, that's why. He slammed headfirst into a wall.
G-boy. Yeah. Oh, shit. Shit, we got a G-bro down, man. We got a G-bro down.
Oh, damn, we did it.
What happened? She popped. Rule number 1, we gotta start stocking zip ties in the cars.
This is also a fine example of why, oh, it came out everywhere. No, that did break out there. Of why you use zip ties and not bolts. Because when you hit something like that, the zip tie breaks. Like, look at this. That's fine. The reason I'm not running my front bumper is because we ripped off the whole clamp section.
Sure you did, 100%.
So now it's just kind of so now you just put another zippy back and you're good to go till next time.
You know what though, look buddy, your paint job's holding up quite
I'm not
nice.
gonna lie, battle scars or not, this is still one of the cleanest cars here.
You lost your rear bumper?
Yeah, she's
So what you're saying is your rear bumper zip tie didn't hold?
Yeah, I don't think those zip ties were sufficient.
Not bad. On the bright side, we get to see your cans now. True. I must say we don't need this anymore. Well, buddy, appreciate you lending me your helmet, man.
No problem,
you saved
man.
the day.
Anytime.
All right, so what are we doing? We're gonna go see if we can get your bumper?
Yeah, I don't know how to do it. I don't know if they're like, they go get it or if they just want me to run across the track and get it, but I would like it back. It's still nice, I think.
Ah, well, we're gonna go figure it out. This is a cute video right here. You walking the doggy?
I can run and grab it? Sure. Okay, thank you. Look how narrow this actually is.
Yeah,
when you're in a car, I'm like, okay, it feels pretty narrow. Oh no, she's doing it, she's doing it.
Franks.
She's doing it. She's dumping on the track.
Franks, you're embarrassing us. Yo, it looks like it's in good shape, buddy.
I'm actually amazed. It's half on the track and it's still here. Oh, she looks a little hoop.
Let's see it, let's see it.
This is why when I bought this stuff, and I told you guys, when you have any kind of car you're gonna be doing any kind of sport with, it is always, even if you're gonna do just like regular driving, always buy stuff that's polyurethane. Look at this, I ripped this bumper off, going however fast, all of these just popped out and the zip ties broke off the end. We got one fatality right here. We got a fatality, but like all in all, dude, if those were all like anything else, it would have just shattered.
Yeah, man. You used a nice amount of flex additive, obviously.
A little bit of curb rash here, some nice beefy curb rash here, all over. Not bad though. Oh, that's where it's gonna crack. When we're talking about it though, this thing looks so cool without a rear bumper on it. I mean, obviously this is from when I painted it, so there's still like, I never really cleaned the bash bar up. But if we were to clean this up, dude, look at just how it looks without a bumper. Look at like the mufflers and everything. This thing just looks beefy and thick. It's kind of nice. All right, well, Inside Jenny has lived to see another drift day, dude. Everybody always saying, ooh, you redlining that thing, it's gonna pop. I believe him.
Yeah, I believe him, but it hasn't popped yet.
It hasn't popped yet. The underside, I'm curious to get it on the lift and see.
Dude, that's gonna be hysterical, man.
We did do some good scrapies.
Dirt clump galore.
Today was unreal, dude. I would say like, today went from showing up late and feeling kind of like, I'm gonna spend my whole day in line for the freaking skid pad for what? Turned into like us absolutely ripping on the track. I don't know how good the footage was. Obviously we still have a lot to learn. Like, we didn't kill it by any means, but I'm real pleased with what we did. And honestly, I would say if you guys have a handbrake in your car and you can use it, obviously the Hydro is a little bit more efficient, but that is a very good mod, in my opinion, for like a beginner. I wasn't sure if I'd be ready for it, but dude, I feel like it helped me so much today. There's so many times where like we were just going and I would just like yoink that thing and it would just save my ass, help me get a little bit farther in my skid and help me like just come around and actually connect stuff. So I'm pumped. Jenny lives to see another day. Everything's looking good. Time to load this thing up, get back to the hotel, get some sleepies, come back tomorrow and kick some ass. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out. Stay committed.